for package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video I just want to do a little bit of unboxing with the SnePi case. This is from the company Retroflag, and they are creating these casings you can buy for your Raspberry Pi B, let's say it correctly, the Raspberry Pi 3B and B+. So, yeah. The first thing I'm noticing that these things are coming all in a pretty damn awesome box. I did buy the deluxe version that was included with one controller, so I can show you how is the quality of the controller. So, an overall really cute little box, and let's see what's inside. Alright, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. Here is it. The casing. I almost wanted to say the system, but there is no system, it's just a casing. Oh, ooh, we got the deluxe screwdriver. What do we have more? Like the other versions, we're getting here instruction manual, how to connect everything. Lightweighted. Feels good. Feels really good. The Retroflag controller. I like it. Yep. I like it a lot. Let's take a close look. Where's it going to put this back on the controller? Alright, let's take a close look at the SnePi case from Retroflag. Here at the front we are finding two USB connectors. Here we have the power on-off switch. Feels like a really quality product, or quality button. Here we have a secret storage. Really cool, really awesome. At the back we are finding holes, because here is going to be the Raspberry Pi. We have a DC in, and here we can put them in. So we need to do that again. We can open it up, and what you can see here, we can remove this one, and here comes the connector or the Ethernet and extra USB connections. And at the inside we're finding a little bag with some extra, I think that the knobs from the, oh, you need to, yeah, alright, if you're done with it you can screw it together and put this little rubber feet in. What I can see here, we even have an option to save shutdown. There's an extra button here for save shutdowning down, to disable it or enable it. Yeah, and this is what we're going to get. It's even possible to use a little fan here, as you can see. So that is really awesome. So if you want more ventilation or more cooling for your Raspberry Pi, that is possible. So yeah, people, let's do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison with the official SNES Mini Classic. So, a side-by-side comparison with the SNES Mini Classic and the SnePi case. The first thing noticing is that, yeah, it's a little bit bigger. I don't think you can see it on the camera. was a little bit bigger, not much, but it's almost a one-on-one copy. So it's really cool that they did take the effort for making it almost a one-on-one. It's really cool. So yeah, that concludes a little bit of this video, and let me know what you think of this SuperPi case. If I start making a project with a Raspberry Pi and this casing, I will of course make a video about it. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell for upcoming videos so you get a notification, and see you next time.